Here's how to convert iPhone photos on Windows. So if you've got those HEIC photos from your iPhone or from someone else's iPhone, or you've got HEIF, I don't know about you, but I was pretty sick of uploading things to random sketchy websites. So I created an offline file converter app called ConvertSave, and it converts images, video, and audio. All you have to do is find the images you want. I could drag all these in there. You can even drag and drop into ConvertSave and then select the output you want. So do I want JPEG or JPEG with an E, right? JPEG, PNG, all these different file types. But maybe a lot of you are just trying to convert them to JPEG. We can drag in those HEIC files, convert them to JPEG, select the output, hit convert, and boom, they're going to save right next to where all those files came from. So I worked on this with my brother. He's a software developer, and we named it ConvertSave. There's a link in the description down below, but that's exactly what it does. It converts and then it saves. And it also does video and audio. So if you have iPhone videos, then it will also convert to MP4 or something else for your Windows machine. So this is how you can convert iPhone photos on Windows. Hopefully it helps you. I appreciate the support. I'll see you guys in the next one.